Hi guys, in this video we are going to learn about x-intercepts and y-intercepts. So when we're starting, we have to learn what is an x-intercept and a y-intercept. Well, it basically is just like when something's on a graph, right? So like in this case a line goes through the y-axis, where it goes through the y-axis and the x-axis, which is this is the y-axis and this is the x-axis. All right? So let's start. Okay, so we'll start with the y-intercept. So when we're starting, let's say we got like y equals 4x plus 1. Okay, so we know that this is the y-intercept, but the real question is here is why? Why is this the y-intercept? Well, a y-intercept is when x is 0. So for example, when we're looking across the y-axis and we're to plot this y-intercept on this graph, we'd plot it right here. And as you can see, as y is 1, x is 0. And that's for any other y-intercept. So if we know that x is supposed to be 0 in a y-intercept, then to answer the question of why the y-intercept is 1, all we have to do is substitute 0 for x in this slope-intercept linear equation. So if we do that, we would get y equals 4 times 0 plus 1. And then we know that 4 times 0 is 0. So we can just take that out and be y equals 1. And y is standing for the y-intercept, which is 1. So that's how we know that 1 is the y-intercept. Now let's move on to x-intercept. So x-intercept is basically the same thing as y-intercept, except that let's give an example with the equation, okay? So let's take an equation and let us use 5. Let's use 5x plus 3. Okay? Now, intercept is where a line or something crosses the x-axis, like the y-axis. But so once again, like the y-intercept, x is 0, but in this one, y is 0, because if we were to plot 3, we know that as x is 3, y is 0. So now the question is, why is the x-intercept? Like we have to find the x-intercept, okay? So let's find the x-intercept, okay? So we would just have to substitute y as 0, okay? So we would substitute y as 0 equals 5x plus 3. And then we just have to subtract 3 from both sides. Okay? So it'd be negative 3 equals 5x. And then we just divide by 5 on both sides. Okay? Okay? And then we would get x. You would get x as negative 3 over 5. Okay, so now let's type in the equation to see how that is, and I'm just going to clear all of this. Okay, now let's type in the equation as y equals 5x plus 3. And as you can see, I'm going to zoom in a bit more, and it's about what did we get here? Negative 3 over 5. And yeah, so that is how you find the x and y-intercept and what it is. Thank you. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And please comment below if you guys need any help with anything for more videos and topics you would like me to cover. And share this video with others. Thank you.